So you filmed something you thought was an awesome video, only to find that when you watch it back, it's super shaky and actually hard to watch. Well, today I'm going to show you my favorite app for fixing this up for you, so stick around. If this is your first time here, then make sure you hit that little subscribe button down there, because I'm Francesca and I'm all about helping people like you to create a news video better, easier, faster, with all kinds of tech tips and strategies to get you started. And at the end of this video, although we're going to be fixing that shaky video of yours, I'm going to show you how to just get it right the first time with some awesome tools to help you. So pick up your phone and let's just take a nice shaky video that looks terrible and make it better. So the app is called Video Stabilizer, and you can download it for free from the Play Store. There is also a pro version, but we're going to work in the free version for now. Let's open up the app. Choose your video. And now it's going to spend the time analyzing and stabilizing the video. And this can take, a couple of minutes. And that's all you really need to do, because the app has done the hard work for you. But you can change the crop type. But I found that Fix does a good enough job. You can press play to review them. Hit the save button in the bottom right. And we can watch the two side by side as it saves to our phone. Now let's check out the final video. Let me know in the comments below, is this something you think you could use? Because I use it all the time whenever I'm in some kind of vehicle that's moving, like a car, or bus, or a train, and I'm doing something handheld. It makes a world of difference. But my best advice for you is just to get it right first time. Eliminate that shakiness in the filming, so you don't have to spend the time fixing it afterwards. To get either something like a beast grip or a rig for your camera, or even a gimbal is a really good option as well. And if you just check out each of these videos here, they will show you exactly how those work. Some tests I did, and the results speak for themselves. So as always, I'll see you next week, and until then, happy filming.